Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about HubSpot, and this will be an HubSpot tutorial for beginner in 2025. So if you are looking to manage your leads, automate your marketing and grow your business, this guide is for you. I will walk you through the CRM, contact management, emails, pipeline and automations in this video step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to create your HubSpot account. So first of all, you just need to visit on HubSpot.com and then click on get started free. So here you can see the option you will get in here, or you can just click this one, login. So if you have an account, you can log in these options, or if you're new, like you don't have an account, you just need to click over here, get started for free. Then you can sign up using your Google account or email. So I will go with my Google account. I'll select my Google Gmail address and then it will redirect me here. So it looks like you're already using HubSpot. So I will click over here, sign up, and from that place enter your email address, select or sign in option. So I just need to provide my email address in that box. So I will provide this one, then click next, and from that place I will click on sign in with this one and then click to the address, and here it will take a couple of minutes, like enter the code we emailed to project. So the mail, I just need to check my mailbox. When I checked it, I already get the mail here. So I just copy the pin and then paste it here and just click login, and then the work already been done. So once login, you will take into HubSpot dashboard. So here continue with this user. So here I will continue with this account, and here actually you can see it already been done. So we are already in the dashboard. So now let's explore the HubSpot dashboard. So into the top menu includes like contact, conversations, marketing, sales, service, automation. The left side is for setting tools. Here you can see. So while the main area shows your recent activity, start with the CRM or contact management. Now let's talk about to add and manage contacts. So for that reason, you just need to click onto the contact and then contact and click create contact. Here you will find out this option. You just need to click to this one, help me get started, or you can, I will set up for myself. You just need to click this one, and you just need to add email address, name, phone, company and tracks. So here let's say I'm going to give an email. This is my email address in here, then given first name, last name, and the contact owner will be that, and the job title will be content creator, and then you can provide the phone number. It would be an BD number, so I will search for Bangladesh. Here you can see this is the Bangladesh 1761756145, and here I'll just click apply, and then lead status will be new one. Just click and create. Once you did, it will be arrived in that form. So here you can see it already been added. So HubSpot also track emails open and link clicks. Now let's talk about to create and sales pipeline. You just need to go to the sales. Here you will find out these options. So you just need to find it the option for sales. Here you can see this is the sale. You just need to go over here, sales workspace, and you just need to go to the deals and click create pipeline or use default one. So here let's find it on sales and then find it out the deals options. So you just need to explore it to find the things in here properly. So data set, workplace and deals. Let's see, this one is the deals. You just need to come over that place. Once you come over here, you can create the pipeline. Here you can see all pipelines, or you can create a new deal. So I'm going to use the default one. So that for reason, you just need to click on customize stage. So here you can see the customize stage all views. You will see all of them in here. Let's get back again. You will find out new lead, then contacted, proposal sent, and the last one is closed on. Now click create deal to add a new sale opportunity, assigned contract, deal value, and expected close date. More deal across the pipeline using the drag and drop. So that is the easy one. I hope you understand how you can create a sales pipeline for your users. Now let's talk about the same marketing emails. That for reason you just need to visit on marketing. So here you will able to see the marketing one. So let's find it out. Let's see where is the marketing. I think this one is the marketing. So here you will find out this one called email. You just need to visit that one, and you just need to click on create email options in here. Once you did, then you just need to pick a template. You can click on regular, and once you did, then you can pick a template from this one. Let's say I'm going to pick this one. Choose a template. Once I click over here, I already chosen template, or you can start from the sketch. It's totally up to you. Now when it's done, you just need to be added subject line, images, text, buttons, and links. You can customize it with your contact names using personalized tokens. Once ready, you just need to send immediately or schedule it for later, and then check the analytics tab to track open rate and clicks. That is really easy. You just need to click on preview and test. You can select this preview one, and now actually you can see it was really good one. So it's really an amazing one. So now I will click over here exit, and now I will talk about live chat and conversations. So that for a reason you just need to go to the conversations and then the inbox. So let's find it out, that one, conversations, and then the inbox. So you just need to be scroll down and check this out. So here you can see I already checked it. So here into the inbox one, you just need to visit in one, and you can set up live chat and chatbot for your users. Here you can see a couple of options we have, like team email, chat, forms, Facebook messengers, WhatsApp, and calling. So it's totally up to you. You can click chat flows and create a chat flow website and choose between live chat, bot to qualify leads, and meeting scheduler. Customize your greeting message and choose pages it appears on. Add it to your website using the chat embedded code. Now let's talk about to automate the workflows. So you just need to go to the automate option. So here you can see this is the automate option. You just need to visit here and then click workflows, and you just need to click create workflow from the scratch. You just need to click this one. We are getting 40 days trial if you want to use that one. So you can talk to sales if you want to use this one. As you can see, this is the interface will be. So you just need to set the trigger. For example, when someone submits a form, the actions will be added that send follow-up email, assigns a sales representative, or add to a list. This helps automate lead nurturing and follow-up. It is great for serving or saving time and increasing engagement. So let me give a bonus tip like the mobile app and integration. You just need to download the HubSpot mobile app to manage your CRM on the go. You can use integration like Gmail Outlook for email sync, Zoom for scheduling meeting, Slack for real-time updates. HubSpot also connects with Shopify, Facebook ads, Stripe, and more. And that's your full beginner-friendly walkthrough of HubSpot in 2025. From contact management to automating, you now have the tools to grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more CRM and business tool tutorial. Thanks for watching.